Some developing news today. The verdict is in. A Texas jury is ordering Alex Jones to pay massive damages to the parents of a 6-year-old boy killed in the Sandy Hook Elementary School shooting. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Patricia Del Rio joins us now from the newsroom with reaction and what's next with his lawsuits here in Connecticut. Patricia.
Well, the hammer came down today hard for Alex Jones. $45.2 million in punitive damages. That's in addition to the $4 million in compensatory damages he was ordered to pay yesterday. Now, Texas law may cap today's award and the family may end up receiving less, but the jury clearly sent a message that Alex Jones needs to pay for his lies.
Is this your verdict? So say each and all of you.
A total of $45.2 million in punitive damages as the judge announced the jury's verdict to punish Alex Jones for using his platform to spread lies that the Sandy Hook massacre never happened. The parents of 6-year-old Jesse Lewis had sued Jones, saying their lives had been put in danger because his followers threatened them, believing him when he said they were actors and that their son never existed. Tonight, Jesse Lewis's mother tweeting her thoughts following the verdict, saying, quote, "Sandy Hook happened. Jesse was a hero. Alex Jones was held accountable. Today, the jury proved that most of America is ready to choose love over fear, and I'll be forever grateful to them." Alex Jones was not in court for the verdict, but his attorney did comment on his client's reaction.
His reaction was that, he'd been found guilty before he ever had a chance to defend this case on the merits, that the First Amendment is under siege, and that he looks forward to continuing the fight for freedom of expression.
Jones will have plenty of legal fighting ahead. He'll next be in court later this month in Connecticut, where the plaintiffs will include 8 families who lost loved ones in the tragedy, as well as an FBI agent who responded to the shooting. We asked Connecticut trial attorney Joseph Burns what impact today's verdict might have on those cases.
I think it means that we can expect some significant damages awarded in the Connecticut cases. It's clear that the Texas jury did not think very highly of Mr. Jones's conduct towards the Newtown parents.
Meantime, Alex Jones has claimed he's broke, but a forensic economist took the stand today to say he's likely worth as much as $270 million.
It averages to about $53.2 million a year, but that is the starting point, because we know from testimony that Alex Jones said that he can do $70 million.
Gets sorted out and families eventually get paid. It is far from over for Jones. There is still the possibility that prosecutors could file charges against him for perjury in this civil trial, and that could lead to a criminal trial. I'm Patricia Del Rio, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.